Lesson 4: Dry Drawing Method. This video will cover dry drawing method. You can watch video once before painting and pause to read instructions as needed. Mix a small amount of purple or phthalo blue, sky blue, bright red, and white to paint basic layer for the sky. Then, mix opera pink and titanium white to create a color for painting base layer of cloud. Add a touch of bright red to the bottom part of the cloud and create a gradient effect. Combine purple and titanium white to create the color and paint the base layer of water. After the base layer has dried, dip the brush in titanium white and outline the edges of the clouds. While the paint is still wet, use a damp clean brush to blend the colors. Repeat this process several times while keeping the transition between light and dark areas according to the volume of the clouds. Dip the brush in titanium white and paint the ripples on the water and the highlights on the top of the clouds. To make the highlights more natural, you can draw around the white area with the base color. Continue to dip into the titanium white color and apply it for highlights. Take a small amount of titanium white and evenly apply it with your finger before the paint dries to create a halo around the sun. Dip the brush into a small amount of titanium white to depict sunlight rays. Use a light flicking motion to create a bright highlight with the titanium white.